Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you a simple method to download high-quality Instagram Reels directly to your device without the need for any third-party applications. By following these easy tricks, you can save Reels to your gallery hassle-free. While scrolling through your Instagram feed, you may come across some fascinating and scenic Reels that you'd like to download. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll find a share button. Click on it, and a list of sharing options will appear at the bottom. Look for the copy link option and select it. Now, return to your home screen and open Telegram. Choose any chat you're comfortable with and paste the copied link into the text box. After www in the link, add DD as shown in the video. Send the message. Your copied reel video will be sent as demonstrated in the video. Next, open the video in Telegram and click the three dots located at the top right corner. You'll see an option to save to gallery. Click on it and that's it. Your video has been saved or downloaded to your device's gallery. To check, go back to your home screen and open your gallery. You should find your video there. Open it. And you'll see your high-quality Instagram Reels playing in your device's gallery. You can use the downloaded Reels in various ways. For example, you can click on the send option and add it to your WhatsApp status. It's as simple as that. By following these easy steps, you can download high-quality Reels hassle-free. Thank you for watching our video, and stay tuned for more amazing tricks and tips.